in today's tutorial, make sure you set a set default applications on your Toshiba laptop, desktop, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to search for settings. Best result, you come back to settings here. Go ahead and select that. And then on the left panel, select apps. And then on the right side, select default apps. And then scroll to the list and locate the application you want to set as default. And then select the set default button up at the top. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.